Hey y'all, I've been in the kitchen. This is the only basically thing where you can see me angle I can do right now for you. I'm at the table. I'm tired. I've been in the kitchen all day like I was trying to finish off my sentence before I interrupted myself. Okay, so the first recipe is in the oven right now. It is cooking at like 3 minutes. Basically, prior to the last video I just did, it was a snack video. This is another snack video of something healthy for you. So, it says the ingredients is bananas, vanilla, peanut butter, oat milk, oat milk, old fashioned, cookie, chocolate chips, and you guys set your oven for 360, and you want to cook this for 10 to 12 minutes, it says. So let's get everything out and prepared, and set your oven to 360. So you need a vanilla extract. 22, okay. You will need, basically do your oats first. Oh, your peanut butter I'm gonna melt too. So melt your peanut butter because I seen him melt it. Well, didn't see it, but I see it was pouring like it was melted. So that tells me I need to melt it. So this says, you need 2 bananas. So either blend it or you can just smash it. Either way you go. I went to that direction. So you need 2 cups of oat milk. Get this out of here. Got my bowl. 2 cups of oat milk. These are oat milk chocolate chip cookies. The healthy way for you. So it keeps your munching down. If you got the munchies, you can munch on this one, and it's not going to be too harmful, too much sugar. So you need to put in a bowl to put your peanut butter in. Get a spoon, and it requires 1/3 of peanut butter. So get your 1/3 out, like this. Craving can go down. Peanut butter helps. So it requires 1/3. Put a little extra, that's okay. I can get all of it. Oh, man, don't do what I just did. In that bowl. That's okay. See, like I said, you're not going to get all the peanut butter directly out. So, don't worry. But don't mess up like I did. I did a oopsies. And that's okay. Remember. I said, warm it up for like 30 seconds. Then, your chocolate chips. So I'm going to warm this up for 5 seconds. Oh, the snack is done. Do 10 more. 10 crunchy. More. Yes. All right. So that's melted down. So melt it down. 10 seconds I did to melt this down. So I'm gonna stir this in. Also, I'm gonna put my banana. Blended banana in there. not about how you do it. It's about, is it going good? That's all. There we go. That's okay. Then, sorry guys. So I have my 2 bananas. Need my vanilla. It's a teaspoon. So there we go. Whatever. Mix this all up. Yum. Smelling good. I'm not doing it as cookies. I'm going to do it as a bar. Cut into bars. Not falling as that one the guy did. I'm not trying to be here all day. Do it easy as an easy. So mix it up all good. So I'll get my chocolate chips. I'm not gonna be hot no more. So mix it all up. Ooh, snap. So this requires 1/4 of a cup. So you want to get your 1/4 of a cup. Ooh. All right, you pour that in there. Okay. 1/4. And that's how it's looking. So you can do bars like they do in the stores, or you can do cookies. It's basically, I think that's what he was achieving, but he just decided to do cookies. He make it all fancy. Me, I'm not fancy with food. I'll cook it and I eat it. So I'm mixing it really good, you know. It's gonna be a really good meal. So I smell the bananas in it. Ooh. So that's what it's looking like. Okay. So I already got this. Your pan and your wax paper, or parch paper. They want to say parchment paper. It's all the same. All right. Parchment paper is a lot more stronger. So, like, just read up on it. Better quality. So, I am gonna basically smooth it out. First time doing it, but I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna use my hand. Don't. It doesn't hurt to use your hand, guys. So, I'm making bars. So I'm sliding out. Not too thin. Not too thick. There we go. So, So, doesn't have to be perfect bars, you know. Taking his agreement and each bar. You ever seen that chocolate chip bar up in Walmart? I think that's what this recipe is, kind of. We'll see. Oh, but it's more sweeter. Pretty sweeter. They'll probably put sugar and then stuff. I didn't add no sugar. Sugar-free snack. Sweet. Yeah. Don't worry, no eggs added to it. I'm gonna wash my hands. That's good. Crazy. Alright, and then you pop it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, it says, and on 360. So, basically, I'm gonna unplug that. This is what it will be looking like. And the oven will make it crispier, and the oats will be like more softer. So, that's why. And you'll love it. It tastes good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Till next time, please hit that bell button if you want to see more. New videos will update it fast and basically comes to you. And notifications, like, share, and subscribe. If I did not say that again, subscribe if you want to basically follow me and see every video I post up. Thank you for watching. Till next time, take care. Bye.